Welcome to our channel. Let's see a driving fail video. Automatic car salesman explaining the car features. The car driven on road automatically. Customer looks satisfied and both having a good car ride on road. When drivers see the traffic ahead, he tries to take control of car, but salesman insists that the car will stop automatically. Finally, the brakes did not work on its own, and this automatic vehicle hit the front car at high speed. Both driver and salesman are worried what just happened. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel for more videos.